I call on the Minister for Health and Medical Services, the Honourable Dr. Ifereimi Waqainabete. You have the floor, sir.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for that question. Sir, as we speak, the CT scanner in Lautoka doesn't work. It's actually 10 years old and it is due for replacement. It was bought in 2011 at 1.5 million Fijian dollars, and just before the onset of the first wave, it had malfunctioned, and unfortunately we couldn't be repaired. We have since then done our due diligence in working with our partners. We are procuring a CT scanner through Japan Aid and a grant through Japan, which is in total $10 million. It's a $1.5 million investment. It weighs about 2.5 tons. It is a 128 helical slicer. The one that we've had in Lautoka before is 1. So it's much faster. It can do 3-dimensional figures, including looking at the visceral organs in 3 dimensions. And as we speak, throughout the last few weeks and months, the biomedical technicians have been liaising with the manufacturers or the company in which we're going to be procured in terms of the base and what needs to be done in the room. The second question is, yes, the asthma station is working, which brings me to something that I think it's important for all of us to know, that in December 2017 there was a fire at the hospital in the operating theatre recovery, and downstairs is the X-ray department. And so this had gone through its repairs, and as I speak, that's been completed. The new operating theatre, the new post-anesthetic recovery unit up at the top, and also the big renovations that's happened at the X-ray department below, including adjacent to where the new CT scanner will sit. Recently, there's been installed a large general X-ray machine, which is ceiling mounted, both in Lautoka and Suva before the beginning of this year. And the asthma station had to be moved out as part of our fever screening during the midst of the COVID. So it was moved out, and then the emergency department was being used as the COVID intensive care unit. Now that all the repairs have completed and also the surge by the Omicron has reduced, we've been able to move the fever stations back into the emergency department at Lautoka Hospital. The COVID ICU has gone into the newly used post-anesthetic recovery unit, and the asthma stations remain. But in terms of the management of patients with asthma, we encourage them to use spacers and the puffers for those with mild asthma and nebulization for those with severe disease.
Thank you.